Hello everyone, this video is all about cement coaster and a planter that I have made with the help of white cement. I'm mixing it in water only, and these coasters I have designed with Fevicryl 3D outliner, and the planter also I have designed with 3D outliner only. So if you like these, you can try one by making your own planter or a coaster with the help of white cement. It's very easy to use, it's very easy to make. If you like my video, do subscribe, do share, and thank you for watching. Do comment in the comment section. Thank you so much.